There was a moment in my life when I decided to completely change direction. Without any computer science degree or any prior experience, I set out to learn programming on my own and land a job in tech. Today I am a software developer and I want to share my history with you. This video is for anyone who's thinking about starting a similar journey or needs some motivation to keep going. Let's just begin. The day I decided to learn programming was a turning point in my life. I left my previous job and dedicated myself full-time to studying. I had no time to waste, so I searched the most efficient roadmap to break into the industry. I started with the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. When I say I studied, I mean 16 hours a day. It sounds intense, but I was determined to make it work. In the first month, I learned how to create static websites. However, mastering these skills took about 3 to 4 months. By then, I could build responsive layouts and add interactivity using JavaScript. I wasn't just learning, I was building. If you are just starting out, my advice is this: build projects, even small ones. Each project helps you solidify what you have learned. Once I felt comfortable with the basics, I moved on to backend developer. I chose Node.js because it uses JavaScript, so I didn't need to learn a new language. I also found a free 6-month course on Node.js, Express, MySQL, and MongoDB through a program called Barcelona Activa. Barcelona Activa is a platform in the city of Barcelona that helps people find jobs or start business. The course was an amazing opportunity, but 6 months felt too long for me. I needed to move faster. So I studied during the day and pushed myself even harder at night. I wasn't just following the course. I was exploring on my own, building APIs and creating small applications. Programming is not just about writing code. It's about community. I attended tech meetups, hackathons, and networking events. These were game changers for me. I even won 2 hackathons. One at the Mobile World Congress and another in Viladecans. These experiences taught me teamwork, problem solving, and how to present ideas under pressure. After backend development, I decided to learn React. Since I already knew JavaScript, it was a natural progression. React allowed me to create dynamic, interactive user interfaces, and I added every project to GitHub to showcase my work. Every project I completed boosted my confidence and made my LinkedIn profile stand out. Remember, your GitHub is your portfolio. Keep it updated. After a year learning and building, I started getting interviews. At the company that hired me, they wanted experience with Java and Angular, technologies I hadn't used before. Here is the thing: you don't need to know everything. Employers value your willingness to learn. I was honest about my experience and showed my passion for growth. That's how I started my first job as a software developer. Here is what worked for me: stick to a roadmap. Do not try to learn everything at once. Build projects. Theory is great, but practice is essential. Network. Attend events, join hackathons, and connect with other developers. Showcase your work. GitHub, LinkedIn, and even YouTube can help you to stand out. Never stop learning. Technology is always evolving. My journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. If you are on a similar path, don't give up. Keep learning, keep building, and share your progress. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your history in the comments. I would love to hear it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.